Mm. Somehow this came across my brain today. Am I a hoarder? Are you a hoarder? Here's the question. Let's ask some questions to figure out if we're hoarders. Do you have every letter that you ever got in the mail? Do you still have it? Do you have every Christmas card you were ever given? Do you have your Valentines from elementary school? Do you still have them? You remember Johnny Hubbard gave you a Valentine's card when you were in the third grade? Did you keep it? And it had a sucker stack. It was attached to it. You didn't even eat the sucker. You still got it? When you were in middle school, you had a memory book. And in your memory book, everybody in the 7th grade and 8th grade signed your memory book. And you kept everything. You know, I think that's okay to keep that stuff, but the question is what we're going to do with it. Are you Tupac Shakur? Are you Christopher Wallace? Are you even Jeffrey Epstein? Who are you that you got to keep everything you've ever had? And is it going to be of interest to anybody ever, ever, ever? Did you keep every... I'll tell you something I kept. You know the stickers you get when you get your car registered? I got all of them. I got all of them. License plates. I have a friend that kept every license plate they ever got. Every license plate. Still got them. You go in their garage and it's cool because they have them all hung up on the wall. Every license plate. 30 years, 40 years. License plates. Clothes. Do you still have your jersey from when you played basketball in the 9th grade? Do you still have it? Can you still wear it? Does it fit? Do you have every magazine that you ever subscribed to? Do you still have all of them? What are you going to do with them? Are you going to sell them? You going to read them? Do you order books? Do you buy books? Bring them home, sit them on the bedside, have them on the dresser, have them in the den, have them on the couch? Do you read any of them? Be honest. Not with me. Be honest with yourself. Do you read those books? Confession. I buy books every month. I go to Goodwill and I find a book and I buy it. I read it, but I buy it. But after I read it, I just want to take it back to Goodwill. Give it to somebody else. Here's the thing. In this season we're in called COVID, I'm just calling it COVID. I don't know what the hell that means, but I'm just going to call it COVID season. I looked around and I seen all the stuff that I had that I don't need anymore, and I started purging, getting rid of things. Some people will hear what I'm saying and take it to heart and be offended or sad, but it's okay. This is not to make you offended or sad. This is to help us wake up. Get rid of some of that you got that you ain't going to use no more. Make room for something you will use. If you've got a dresser, a chest of drawers, and they're full of clothes that you don't wear, get rid of some of those clothes. Somebody can use those clothes. There's somebody somewhere that could use them. Now, don't give them to me because I don't want no old clothes. I don't even want my own old clothes. I don't like old blankets, old sheets. I don't like nothing old. I don't like old towels. I love brand new towels, brand new bath towels. I love them. I love new. I'm trying not to cuss. Y'all know it's going to be hard for me. What do I have that I don't need anymore? Purge. Clean it up. Go in the closet. Look through your shoes. There's shoes you won't wear anymore. There's shoes you can't wear anymore. Get rid of them. There's socks with holes in them, and you keep washing and folding them up. Sometimes you wear 2 socks with a hole in it so that the hole will be covered by another sock. Get rid of those socks. You got some underwear that won't stay up. They loose in the waist. Throw them away. Throw them away. Get rid of it. If you are hoarding, that means keeping old that you ain't going to use no more. Get rid of it. It's therapeutic and make you feel good. It's like that recycle bin on your computer. You're supposed to empty that thing. You're supposed to empty it, and your computer will run faster. Just like in your life, when you empty the recycle bin, things will run smoother when you get rid of some of that old heavy baggage. All right. No more talking. That's all I got right now.